All right, if you hate ironing as much as I do, but you've got clothes that have plenty of wrinkles in them from time to time, I'm going to be reviewing this device right here. It's a little easier than traditional ironing, saving you a little bit of time. We're going to review this. Let's get started. So this thing's pretty cool. It's a little steamer basically, and the idea is that you don't have to get out the ironing board and heat up this hot iron every time. This thing compacts, you fill it up with water, and it basically heats up. So it's got a lot of advantages: portability, storability, ease of use versus the traditional ironing board. So everything compresses down like that, and when you're ready to use it, you telescope it up, and you basically hang your item of clothing onto the hanger just like this. And then that water in the tank will boil. You'll plug it in, obviously, and it brings the there's a little power light there indicating that it's on. There's the telescoping piece, kind of like a tripod leg, right? It kind of folds up and snaps into place. And you very quickly take your item of clothing, and you can see here there's steam that's starting to come out very quickly, very hot, out of this little kind of vacuum-like hose, right? It doesn't vacuum anything, but it kind of looks like a vacuum cleaner hose. And the idea is that you hold it out like this and you steam clean by hand. Now it's a little awkward because you can't get like buttons as easily, and you have to be careful not to obviously burn your finger as you're doing this, but you kind of hold it tightly, and then you can steam clean both sides, and it releases those wrinkles pretty quickly. And so you lose a little bit of the control that you would with the traditional ironing board, but you can see it's putting out a lot of steam, a lot of heat, and it will definitely release the wrinkles in the majority of the areas of your clothes. So I'm just testing this out. This is the first time I had used something like this, and am impressed with how quick and easy you can get rid of one of your wrinkles in one of your items of clothing if you've got something to go to, and you don't want to hook, like I said, get out the ironing board, hook it up, get the iron out, get it hot. So definitely a time saver here. Overall, I like it, and we'll stop the video there.